Hi friends! Welcome to Fun Kids World. Are you ready to learn something amazing today? We're going to learn how plants grow. Yay! Look, here's our friend Sunny. Sunny is a happy little sunflower. Sunny wants to show us how plants grow from a tiny little seed. See this? It's a seed. Seeds are so small. This little brown seed is going to become a big, beautiful plant. But first, the seed needs a home. Let's dig a hole in the soft brown soil. Dig, dig, dig. Now let's put the seed inside. Plop, in it goes. Let's cover it up with soil. Pat, pat, pat. Good job. Now what does our seed need? Water. That's right. Let's pour some water from this blue watering can. Splash, splash. The water goes down, down, down into the soil. The seed drinks the water and guess what happens? Look, little white roots are coming out of the seed. The roots go down, down, down into the ground. Roots help the plant drink water from the soil. They're like tiny straws. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Now something is pushing up, up, up through the soil. It's a green stem. The stem is growing taller. Push, push, push. Pop. The stem breaks through the soil and reaches up toward the sky. Look how tall it's getting. The stem grows up and up because it wants to find the sunshine. Great job, little stem. You're growing so big and strong. Our little plant is getting bigger. And look what's happening now. Little green leaves are growing on the stem. 1 leaf, 2 leaves. The leaves open up wide. They look like tiny green hands reaching for the sun. Do you know why plants need sunshine? The leaves catch the sunshine and turn it into food for the plant. Yummy sunshine food. The sun is bright and yellow and warm. The leaves are so happy. Now our plant needs more water and more sunshine. Water from below, sunshine from above. The plant grows taller and taller every day. And look, what is that at the very top? It's a flower bud. It's round and green and getting bigger. Can you guess what color the flower will be? Let's watch. The bud is opening. It's opening up slowly. Pop! Wow! It's a beautiful big yellow sunflower. Just like our friend Sunny. Let's remember how our plant grew. First, we planted a seed. Then roots grew down. Then a stem grew up. Then leaves grew out. And finally, a flower bloomed. Seed, roots, stem, leaves, flower. You did it. You learned how plants grow. Sunny is so proud of you. Maybe you can plant a seed at home and watch it grow too. Thanks for learning with us today, friends. We love you. See you next time on Fun Kids World. Bye-bye. Wave goodbye to Sunny.